Hymen, I'm sure most of you have heard about it. So, coming to the hymen, what is its importance medically? It doesn't have any functional value at all. So, we should know that it is not a sign of virgination. So, hymen, as I told you, doesn't carry any functional benefits. So, if it's there or not there, it is not going to give any medical differentiation in terms of health to a female. But unfortunately, as I told you about the cultural values which we live in still, at least in India, there are a lot of taboos associated with it. So once there is hymenal break or a rupture or a tear, the female is quite mentally disturbed. So these are the concerns what we get in our OPD as a gynecologist also, that either failed relationship or because of sports or unfortunate sexual assault. These are the conditions we get where we need to consider and respect their values and respect their confidence levels, probably will boost by correcting it.